Hi dear students, a warm welcome to you all for today's class. Today we are going to learn compound words. Dear students and my dear viewers, if you find my videos useful for your learning, kindly like, share and subscribe. Well, what do you mean by compound words, children? Let me tell you. A compound word is a combination of two or more words function as a single unit with new meaning. It's really fun learning compound words and it makes a person a better reader. For example, sun plus flower, sunflower. Here we see sun is a noun and flower is also a noun. This combination is made of noun plus noun form. There are a lot of compound words in this combination of noun plus noun. Okay, what is noun? Actually, noun is a word used as the name of a person, place or thing. Let us see few examples for this combination of noun with noun. Seahorse, watermelon, pineapple, lunch bag, wallpaper, nail cutter. Children, if you see these words, you need to separate them. See, horse. See is a different word and horse is a different word. When you put them together, you get a new word, that is seahorse, with a new meaning. Likewise, water, a different word, is a liquid. Melon is a fruit. So when we combine these two nouns, we get another word. Watermelon, it is a kind of fruit. Let's now move on to another combination. The combination of noun and verb. As we have learned the definition for noun already, let us learn what is verb now. Verb is a word used to express an action or state. Let's see a few examples. Snow, fall. Snowfall. We know it's snow, falling, action, it becomes snowfall. Likewise, waterfall. Cat, walk. Cat, a noun. Walk, action, walking. Cat walk. Hair, cut. We know it's hair and the action cut. Haircut. Let's move on to another combination with noun and adjective. What is adjective? Adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun. Let's see this combination of noun and adjective. Life, long. Life is a noun. Long an adjective. So we get lifelong. World famous. World is noun. Famous is adjective. We get a word world famous. Let's move on to another combination, noun with preposition. Let's see the definition of preposition now. Preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show the relation of the noun and pronoun in a sentence. Now we have noun and preposition together. Country, side. Countryside. Root out. Root out. Moving on to another combination with a noun. Noun plus participle. Students, actually there are two types of participles in English. Number one is present participle. That is verb plus ing, which is coming, going, eating, all that. And the second number is past participle, which can also be said as third form of the verb or verb 3. That is taken, eaten, given, made, written, known, all that. Now let's see this combination of noun plus participle. Hand, written. Home, made. Home, we know it is a house. Made is the past participle of the verb make. Hand, made. Let's now move on with the combinations of verb with noun and so on. As we have already learned the definitions for verb and noun, let's go directly to the examples. Playground. Playground. When we see this word playground or when we split play and ground, they give us two meaning. One is the action play, the second one is ground noun. But when we put them together, we get a new meaning which is playground. Run, way. Run action, way noun. Show, room. Show action, room noun. Let's go with another combination of verb with verb. Type, write. Next, verb with adjective. Tax, free. Next we move on to verb and preposition. As we have learned the definition already, give up. Verb with gerund. Type, writing. Children, so far we have learned the combination of noun and the combinations with verb. Let's now move on with adjectives. Adjective with noun. Now we are writing the adjective first and the noun next. Example, good will, soft wear, gentle man. We know gentle is the quality of a man and man is a noun. So together, gentleman. Hot water, cold coffee. Next, let's move on with a combination of adjective with verb. Free, drive, blue, print, dry, clean, deep, fry. So deep is an adjective, fry, action, verb. Clear, cut, side, walk. Okay children, I hope you have understood so far. Let's move on with adjective with gerund. Hope you understand what is gerund. ing of the verb is called gerund. Hard working, hard working. Good looking, good is adjective, looking is gerund. So together we get a new word, good looking. Moving on with adjective with adjective. Dark blue. Children, when we split this word, dark, blue separately, both of them are adjectives. Dark is adjective, blue is also adjective. We put them together, dark blue, a compound word with adjective plus adjective combination. Dark brown, light green. Move on with adjective with past participle. Ready, made. Ready, adjective, made, past participle of the verb make. Let's summarize. So far we have learned compound words means the combination of two or more words, making a new word with new meaning. Noun combinations we have studied, verb combinations we have studied, and the combinations with adjectives we have learnt. Now we are moving on the combinations of prepositions. Preposition with noun. Over, bridge. Over is preposition, bridge noun. After, noon. After, preposition, noon, noun. Preposition with verb noun. Overthrow, outlook, online. Overthrow. Over is preposition, throw is a verb. Then we move on to preposition with gerund. Outgoing. Okay children, let us do an exercise to find out these compound words in sentences. Number 1. Do you like popcorn? What is a compound word here? Yes, popcorn. She baked a cupcake. What is the compound word? Cupcake. Number 3. Ram's dog sleeps in the dog house. The compound word is dog house. What is the combination of this one? Dog, noun, house, noun. Number 4. I ate a big green apple. Green apple. Once again, noun plus noun. A butterfly sits over a sunflower like a honeybee. In this sentence, we have more than one compound word. Let us see. Butterfly, sunflower, honeybee. Number 6. Boys like to sing and dance around the campfire. What is the compound word? Yes, it is campfire. Mom told me to add 1 teaspoon of sugar in a cup of milk. The compound word is teaspoon. It is very important to always eat breakfast. Breakfast. Compound word. My little brother plays in the sandbox a lot. Sandbox. Children love to play in running water. Running water is a compound word. Ruskin Bond is a well-known writer in India. What is the compound word? Well-known. Students work hard throughout the year. Throughout is a compound word. John bought his shoes at shopping mall. Shopping mall. It is the combination of gerund with noun. My cousin runs a printing press, which is the compound word printing press. So dear students, practice or observe the compound words that we use in daily life. Study well. Happy learning. Thank you.